But I guess we are playing Grow Garden. The next update gonna come out in 14
Some is
seconds.
there.
And we have some here because
10,
the
9,
update will
8,
change some.
7, 6, 5, 4,
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Bye-bye, Sam.
The summer harvest has begun. Pray this animation works.
Bye-bye, Sam.
Animation?
Fruit.
Animation?
Animation is... It's not Sam anymore. Look at it. It's not Sam. Tom. It's Tom now.
It's Tom.
And look at the fruit.
Let's go see the fruits.
It's now...
Loquat seed, prickle kiwi seeds. Oh my
They didn't change the
Green.
sugar apple.
Even a koala fish. Oh,
Banana seed.
I'm gonna get this koala seed. I'd never see that.
Ano to? May ano? Carbon.
Bell pepper seed. Prickly
Kiwi
pear.
seed. Ano tong mga ganito?
There's a sugar apple. Sugar apple is still the best.
Wow.
What the? Animation. An animation.
Paano? Saan mo
I
nakita?
just got it. Oh, Jandel. Just watch mine. Oh my god, some are stuck now available.
I see. May update. Oh no.
Out of stock.
I already watched that.
They're running. There's a summer.
Out.
Okay. A kiwi. A kiwi. Wow.
Did you get a kiwi?
Wow, there is a kiwi if you watch the
Sam, I
cutscene.
miss
Okay.
you, bro.
Let's go behind.
Don't forget Sam.
Wait, I think Sam is right here.
Huh?
I think that's good. That's okay.
Let's see.
Summer, the
Submit,
summer
submit.
harvest.
Summer harvest. Fix that.
But fix it.
We're
Get
gonna
some bees flying, but then fix.
submit plant. Ano daw to? Oh, we can put some ano here. We can put
Crafting tables.
we can put
And some.
pets.
Yeah, some is not even here now. Goodbye to somebody. One more
Okay,
sugar
one
apple.
more sugar apple. This is, bro. Why is it so much now? Pa 25 million na.
I don't know how much does figure cost, but that's crazy.
Yeah, that's crazy, bro.
But the only prismatic is sugar apple.
Dragon fruit, I miss it, bro. Apple, sugar.
I think the update is done.
Huh?
The update is done.
Yeah. It's Amber Lily and
Amber lily, beanstalk. I got some dragon fruit,
some anymore.
cheeses, grape. There is more. There mango seed.
And I'm gonna make a video.
Okay, amber lily.
Better.
Oh, just a dragon fruit, just red. Okay.
Bro, you still have it. Yes. Oh, yan.
Yeah, I know.
And it's still here. Crafting. Anong mga gamit dito? Okay, tingnan natin. Baka may bagong sprinkler din. Wala. Uy, meron nga. Meron, may nakita ko.
Honey mirror.
Fiction. Why the lightning, bro? Why lightning?
Mushroom 7. And then lino.
Why mushroom, bro? Why?
Tapos kiwi seed.
Ba't ganun iyak ko? Sugar apple, it's here. Ikaw, you'll be fine. You're in a good start now.
Bamboo.
Beanstalk, and cactus, and mango. I miss it, bro.
I'm putting every bamboo at my place, bro.
I'm missing it already. Why am I missing it, bro? I don't even like some, bro. Bro, why do I miss it?
Oh, it's okay.
It's hurting my mind, bro.
We're gonna work us
Why is it hurting my
going to
mind?
bring the best after this
It's hurting my mind. Bro, don't think of it. Everybody knows.
Okay, there's nothing. I'll just use it out.
Oh, I miss it, bro. I miss it.
A kiwi.
I really miss it, bro. Bro, just bring it back. Kailan ba i-bring ni? Ba't ngayon namimiss ko tapos dati hindi?
Where did I put my amber lilies? Okay, I'll put them here. Yeah.
Hala, kailangan mo na gawin to. Lightning rod. Wow.
Stars. I think we need this one.
Lightning rod. Oh, yeah.
Tulog na ako.
Ako din.
Bye. 3% pa to.
Charge ko na